Good morning, everyone. Today I will discuss illustration 66. D, E, F, P, and Z were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 5:4:3:2:1. Unfortunately, P and Z met with tragic car accident in which both of them died. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 1,50,000. D, E, and F decide to share future profits in the ratio 4:6:5 respectively, and we have to do the accounting treatment of goodwill. And the journal entry for recording the accounting treatment of goodwill is gaining partners capital account debit to deceased partners capital account. The gaining partners will compensate to the deceased partners capital account. They will compensate the goodwill, share of goodwill. For this, we will calculate the gaining ratio, and the gaining ratio is calculated by applying the formula of new ratio minus old ratio. New ratio of D, E, and F is 4/15, 6/15, and 5/15. And old ratio was 5/15, 4/15, 3/15, 2/15, and 1/15. Okay, here new share of D is 4 and old share was 5. He is sacrificed by 1/15. E's new share is 6 and old share was 4. He gains by 2/15. And F's new share is 5 and old share was 3. He also gains by 2/15. P and Z are sacrificing partners. They sacrifice by 2/15 and 1/15. Now the journal entry will be here E and F. Both partners are gaining partners. They will compensate to the deceased partners P and Z as well as D, because D is sacrificing partners. So they will compensate to D, P, and Z in their gaining ratio. So then journal entry will be E's capital account debit, F's capital account debit to D's capital account, to P's capital account, and to Z's capital account. E will compensate, and the value of the goodwill was 1,50,000. Then he will compensate. He gains 2/15 and F gain 2/15. So E will compensate 20,000 and F will also compensate 20,000 to D, P, and Z. D sacrificed 1/15 and P 2/15 and Z 1/15. D will get 10,000, P will get 20,000, and Z will get 10,000. Okay, next illustration. Balance sheet of Pushpa, Rashi, and Seema are given, and their profit sharing ratio is 2:1:2, 2/5, 1/5, and 2/5. And Pushpa died on June 12. And here in balance sheet, profit and loss account is given. In the liability side, it means it is a profit. And as we know that CBSE has deleted the partner's capital account as well as the preparation of the balance sheet. So in this question, we will just calculate the her share of profit and the accounting treatment of goodwill. And accounting treatment of goodwill will be remaining partners or gaining partners capital account will be debited to deceased partner, to Pushpa's capital account. For this, we will calculate the goodwill. Goodwill is valued on the basis of 2 times of the average profit of the past 3 years, and the profits of the past 3 years are 30,000, 70, and 80. And here 60,000 is also given. But it is not that ki jo 60,000 it is a current year profit. They are accumulated profits, they are all profits. So past 3 year profits are 30, 70, and 80. For this, we will add the 30, 70, and 80 and divided it by 3. So that average profit will be 30 plus 70 plus 80 upon 3, that is 60,000. And goodwill is valued at 2 years purchase of the average profit. Here average profit is given 60,000. We have already calculated it, and number of years are 2 years. We will multiply it by 2. So total goodwill is 1,20,000. Now Pushpa share, it is the goodwill of the whole firm. We will find the share of Pushpa share. Pushpa share is 2 upon 5. It means 48,000. Pushpa will get 48,000 and it will be given by the gaining partners. Rashi and Seema are the gaining partners. And here it is mentioned that the Pushpa and Rashi and Seema acquired Pushpa's share in the ratio of 1:5. It is the gaining ratio. They gain in the ratio of 1 upon 5. Rashi's account will be debited by 1 upon 6 and Seema's account will be debited by 5 upon 6 to Pushpa's capital account. Rashi will give 1 by 6 of 40,000. She will give 8,000 and Seema will give 48,000 into 5 upon 6, 40,000 to the Pushpas. To Pushpa. Rashi's capital account will be debited by 8,000. Seema's capital account will be debited by 40,000 and Pushpa's capital account will be credited by 48,000. Rashi's capital account debit, Seema's capital account debit, to Pushpa's capital account. Pushpa's capital account will be credited by 48,000 and Rashi's and Seema's capital account will be debited by 8 and 40,000. Okay, we have done this adjustment. Her share of profit up to the date of death based on the average profit for the past 3 years. First of all, we will calculate the average profit of the past 3 years. 30, 70 and 80,000 are the profit of the past 3 years. Well, divided by 3 to calculate the average profit. Average profit will be 60,000. And this 60,000 average profit is given to Pushpa and Pushpa's share is 2 upon 5. But we will give to her only the 73 days का ही profit देंगे because she worked only for 73 days. She worked for April 30th April 30 days and May 31 and 12 days of June. So profit of 60,000 is the average profit of the past years. So we will give her a profit only up to the date of her death. जितना उसने वर्क किया उसको accordingly उतनी डेज का profit credit करेंगे into और उसका share देंगे and her share was 2 upon 5. So Pushpa will get 4,800 and what journal entry we will pass? P&L suspense account debit to Pushpa's capital account. Pushpa will get 4,800 and her share of profit will be debited to the P&L suspense account.